Welcome to my channel. Before we start, think deeply about this question. Why do we always avoid the hardest work even when we know it can change our life completely? And what if the task you are avoiding right now is actually the key to your success? This is the story of Ali, a 9-year-old student who always wanted to become successful and build a better future for his family. But there was one big problem in his life. He always delayed difficult things. Every morning, he promised himself that he would study, focus, and complete important work. But instead, he spent hours on his phone, watching videos, scrolling social media, and doing everything except the hard tasks that actually mattered. At first, he thought it was normal, but slowly his life started falling behind. His exams were getting worse, his confidence was dropping, and he began feeling guilty every night. Still, he could not change his habits. One day, while sitting alone after another wasted day, he asked himself a powerful psychology question: why does my brain choose comfort over success even when I clearly know the truth? That moment hit him deeply because he realized it was not laziness, it was something stronger: fear of discomfort and failure. Just then, his teacher's old words came into his mind: if you do the hard thing first, your whole life becomes easier. He ignored it before, but now those words started making sense. That night, he could not sleep properly because for the first time he understood that his biggest enemy was not time, not people, but his own avoidance. And from that silent night, a small thought started growing inside him that maybe, just maybe, everything could change if he stopped escaping hard things and started facing them first. Chapter 2. After that sleepless night, Ollie woke up with a strange feeling in his mind, like something inside him had already started changing, but he still did not know how to control it. And again, I want you to think with me: why do we feel regret only after losing time instead of before wasting it? That morning, Ali went to school with low energy, but his thoughts were louder than ever, and during class he could not even focus properly because the teacher's words kept mixing with his inner fear and confusion. After school, something unexpected happened that became a turning point in his life. His exam results were announced, and Ali had failed in two important subjects. That moment hit him like a shock because it was not just failure, it was a reality check. He felt embarrassed, disappointed, and afraid of what his parents would say. On his way home, he met his old teacher, Mr. Hamid, a calm and experienced man who always believed in discipline and hard work. Mr. Hamid looked at Ali's face and understood everything without even asking. He said something very simple but powerful: you are not failing because you are weak. You are failing because you are choosing easy things first. Then he paused and added, if you want a different life, start with the hardest task before anything else. Ali wanted to ignore it like before, but this time the words felt different, heavier, more real. That night, he kept thinking about one psychology question: what if the order of my actions is the reason my life is not changing? He realized that he always started his day with comfort, not responsibility, and that small habit was silently building his failure. For the first time, Ali understood that change would not come from motivation, but from a new decision, and that decision was waiting for him in the next morning. Chapter 3. The next morning came, and Ali woke up earlier than usual. But this time his mind was not the same, because yesterday's words from Mr. Hamid were still repeating inside him like an echo, telling him to do the hardest thing first, but his body was still fighting against it. And here is something important for you to think about. Why does the brain feel pain before starting hard work, but relief after finishing it? Ali sat on his bed for a few minutes, looking at his books, his phone, and his unfinished tasks. And for the first time, he clearly understood that he had two choices: either follow his old habit of comfort or try something completely new. Slowly, he opened his notebook and the hardest subject in front of him was mathematics, a subject he always avoided because it made him feel confused and stressed. His hand was shaking slightly as he started solving the first question, and within minutes, he felt like stopping again because his brain was pushing him back toward comfort. But he remembered his teacher's voice: start with the hardest task first. So he forced himself to continue even when it felt uncomfortable. After struggling for almost 30 minutes, something small but powerful happened. He solved one question correctly. It was not a big success, but for Ali, it felt like a victory he had never experienced before. That small win created a strange feeling inside him, like confidence was slowly waking up after a long sleep. But the real challenge was not that moment. The real challenge was whether he could continue this habit tomorrow. That night, Ali felt tired, but different, because for the first time in his life, he did not run away from difficulty completely, and this made him question another deep thought. What if success is not about intelligence, but about who can stay longer in discomfort without quitting? Chapter 4. From that day, something slowly started changing inside Ali. Not suddenly, not magically, but step by step, like a small light growing in a dark room. Because now he was no longer the same person who always escaped difficult work. And here is a deep question for you to think about. Why do small daily actions create bigger life changes than big dreams without action? Ali started following one simple rule every morning: do the hardest task first before anything else, even before touching his phone or talking to anyone. And at first, it was very uncomfortable for him, but he continued anyway. Some days he succeeded, and some days he failed. But the difference was that now he never stopped completely. His focus slowly improved, and his mind became more active during study time. His mother noticed this change and asked him, "Why are you studying so early now?" Ali replied with a small smile, "Because I am trying something new." At the same time, his confidence also started growing because every time he completed a hard task, he felt a small reward inside his mind, like he was proving something to himself. His teacher, Mr. Hamid, noticed his improvement and said, "Now you are beginning to understand discipline." These words motivated Ali even more. But the real turning point came when Ali realized something powerful. He was not just studying better, he was also feeling better about himself. He was no longer carrying guilt every night. Instead, he was feeling progress, even if it was slow. One evening, while sitting alone, Ali asked himself another deep psychology question. What if discipline is not pressure, but freedom in disguise? Because for the first time, he was starting to feel that controlling hard tasks early was actually giving him more peace for the rest of the day. And this realization was slowly building a new version of himself. Chapter 5. As time passed, Ali's life started moving in a better direction. But real life never becomes easy when you start improving. Instead, it tests you even more. And this is where a very important question comes for you. Why does life give its hardest challenges right before success? One day, Ali's school announced a final exam and a competition together. And this was not an ordinary moment because the results would decide his future admission into a good college. Ali felt pressure again, but this time something was different inside him. He was afraid, but not helpless. He remembered his new rule clearly: do the hardest thing first. So instead of wasting time worrying, he opened his most difficult subject first and started studying while others were still relaxing or delaying their preparation. The beginning was painful. His mind tried to escape, his phone looked more attractive, and doubts came back, telling him that maybe he was not good enough. But Ali did not stop this time. He kept pushing through the discomfort. His teacher, Mr. Hamid, saw him studying alone after school and said, "Now you are building your future, not just preparing for exams." These words gave Ali strength. The biggest test came one night before the exam when he felt completely exhausted and mentally tired, and for a moment he thought about stopping. But then he asked himself a powerful psychology question. What separates people who succeed from people who give up? The answer came from inside him: consistency under pressure. So he continued studying even when he was tired. On the exam day, Ali felt nervous, but for the first time, he did not feel unprepared. He felt something new control. He entered the exam hall not as a scared student, but as someone who had faced discomfort daily, and that changed everything about how he approached the test. Chapter 6. Ali sat in the exam hall, holding his pen, and for a moment he felt silence inside his mind. Not the silence of fear like before, but the silence of control. And here is the final psychology question for you. What happens when fear no longer controls your actions? As the paper started, Ali looked at the questions and realized something powerful. They were still difficult, but they no longer felt impossible because his mind had already been trained through daily struggle. He began solving step by step, calmly, without rushing or panicking like before. Some questions were easy, some were hard, but this time he did not escape any of them. He remembered every morning he forced himself to do the hardest task first, and that habit was now showing its result. After finishing the exam, Ali walked out of the hall with a strange feeling. Not excitement, not fear, but peace. Later, when the results came, he did not top the class, but he passed with strong improvement, and more importantly, he had changed as a person. His teacher, Mr. Hamid, smiled and said, "You did not just pass an exam, you passed your old self." That sentence stayed in Ali's heart forever. At home, his family noticed his transformation not just in marks, but in discipline, confidence, and attitude. Ali finally understood a deep truth. Success is not about doing everything. It is about doing the hardest thing first, every single day, without excuses. And now think about your life. What hard thing are you avoiding today that could change your tomorrow? Because the moment you stop running from difficulty is the moment your real growth begins. So start today, not tomorrow. Choose the hard task first. Stay consistent, believe in yourself, and never give up. Because your future is built by what you do when things are uncomfortable. If this story made you think differently, then like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment, "I will do hard things first," so I know you are ready to change your life. And remember, success starts the moment you stop avoiding hard work.